Hello everybody, so today I will talk about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. This equation equals to number 0, so we just have only complementary solution. So I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. So if I do first the derivative of this one, we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. Because if I do first the derivative of this one, we keep about e to the power of lambda s. Later that we do first the derivative of lambda s, you got about lambda. And now we do second derivative. And we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. Now I will put this one gone here, this one gone here, and this one gone here. So we have the final answer. So we can do about factorization by e to the power of lambda s. So we have lambda square minus number 5 lambda minus number 14 equals to number 0. And now we need to find the solutions of this one. So this one we have lambda equals to positive number 7 and lambda equals to negative number 2. And now we have the final answer. So we have C number 1, that is about the constant number 1 e to the power of lambda s. So we change lambda into number 7, so we have 7s. And we have C number 2, e to the power of negative 2s. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.